What is going on YouTube? Modeling that back at you with another decal review. This one is from Yellow Wings Decals, and it is set number 32006, the OS2U Kingfisher. So this is an aircraft, the aircraft markings for Cape May, New Jersey in 1941, the U.S.S. Maryland in 1941, as well as the U.S.S. Texas from 1942. So, reason you might notice some additional kit parts on my desk during this review. I'm actually going to be doing this review while I'm building the Kittyhawk OS2U. So I just wanted to kind of do this review, that way I can keep progressing with the build and also get a review up to you guys, as I've not done much in the way of Yellow Wings decals in the past. So go ahead and set the actual decal sheets off to the side. So you get a nice little card here, denotes what it's for. You get a couple of profile shots of the aircraft. On the back, brief history of what Yellow Wings is all about, their goal, and then information on how to apply their decals. Then you get, for this aircraft, you get 4 pages here. So let's open these up. So the first one, again, is the U.S. Inshore Patrol from Cape May, New Jersey. So it doesn't have necessarily colored decals, or I'm sorry, color instructions to an extent, like you have to actually read. But again, orange-yellow here for the upper wing surface, aluminum paint on the lower surfaces if this is the aircraft you'll be building, and then general markings here. Back here we have upper fuselage of blue-gray. This one's for the U.S.S. Texas in early of 1942. So again, denoting top of the wing is going to be blue-gray on this model, non-spectacular or specular light gray on the bottom, which was pretty standard colors by 1942. This is the one I'm actually going to be building for my aircraft. We also have from the U.S.S. Maryland, which is in all over non-specular light gray. So kind of a interesting scheme in just the pure gray. And then here on the back, you get the nice side profile shots as well. And then the last one is general instructions for decal placement, painting, what to do, weighting, fuselage bands, tricolor prop logos, wing chevrons, and then on the back, squadron badges, also tail stripes, and then some nice FS colors for what you will need to make this happen. So, yeah, pretty nice decal sheet. So I'll go ahead and set that off to the side and get the actual decals out themselves. So it comes with 3 sheets. So this one has the pilot names, or I'm sorry, this one has a lot of the stencil markings that you would find on the aircraft, as well as obviously all of the wing markings. What's nice is it does come with basically 3 sets of each. We have here, this one is for Cape May. Then you have for the U.S.S. Texas, you have the additional larger 60-inch insignias there. The nice candy stripes there for the tail. So, printed by Microscale. I've not had too much trouble with their other decals in the past, so hopefully these will work just the same. So, yeah, overall, love the sheet. It was really a good sheet set to get. And if you've never checked them out, they do have many other pre-war and early war decal options as well. So check them out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.